Hello students, welcome to another video at Unlockwise, being presented to you by Mr. Sherekete. Today we are going to be doing the product rule. This is one of the most important concepts in differentiation. So, if we are given two functions being multiplied together, how do you differentiate them? I have an example here. We are given that y is equals to 7 ln of 2x plus 1 multiplied by cosine of x. So this over here is a function and this is also a function. We don't use the easy straightforward method we have been using in previous videos. So here the formula which you need to memorize, it states that d over dx of u times v is equals to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. Just like that. Where u and v are functions of x. In this case, I'm saying they are functions of x because you are saying dx over there, but it can change when you do the implicit. So here we can assume that u is equals to ln of 2x plus 1. If you name this your u, differentiate it. If we differentiate du over dx, we get 1 over 2x plus 1 multiplied by, when we differentiate what's inside, we get 2. And we name our v being, let's say, 7 cos x. If we say dv over dx, we get this 7 remains as it is. But cosine, if we differentiate it, we get minus sine of x. So now we just plug everything here. You see, there are 4 equations. We plug them into this formula and then we are done. So we are saying dy over dx is equals to what? U times dv over dx. This is our u and this is our dv over dx. So it's minus 7 sine x ln of 2x plus 1 plus v du over dx, which is, we multiply this and that, plus 7 cos x times, it's just 2 over 2x plus 1. So let me write this nicely, equals to minus 7 sine x ln 2x plus 1 and then plus 2 by 7, it's 14 cos x divided by 2x plus 1. And this being done, we are also done. Follow to the next videos where we discuss more concepts on differentiation. We do pure maths videos, further maths videos, mechanics videos, statistics videos, and we work past examination question. So just subscribe right now before you move to the next video so that you don't miss anything. Thank you. Follow for more.